I have so much pigmentation. What I do? Should I consult a dermatologist? No, no. Why? I have idea. I should try a Dr. Said's Kesar Kozlik serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen in my morning routine and night routine. I am using a Kesar Kozlik correction cream, which is very good. So first, I am telling you about a serum. It's amazing. It's extremely lightweight, non-sticky texture and quick absorbing, helps to prevent pigmentation and provides glow. I love it. And after that, I am using a moisturizer. It provides intense moisturization, reduces pigmentation and dark spots, enriched with natural moisturizing factors. And let it dry, and then I am applying a sunscreen. Its protection from UVA, UVB rays, fights pigmentation, makes skin glow, evens skin tones, and I love it. It's amazing. I'm feeling so good and so fresh. Wow.